This is Jerry Gerritsen from Tabea Law, and I want to speak this today on the K-3 visa and how do I get the K-3 visa. So again, it's a non-immigrant visa. You will go through the State Department generally, and so you're looking at a scenario where you are coming here and you're in the process of getting your green card, but you don't want to, you want to be in country, you want to be with your family, and so the K-3 is available for those that qualify under green card provisions. So in other words, you have to be a spouse of a USC, a United States citizen, and have already filed your I-130. Of course, the one I-130 is to show the relationship between the petitioner and the beneficiary. The petitioner is the United States citizen or the green card holder who is petitioning or who is trying to, or is the qualifying party for the beneficiary. And the beneficiary is a person that is coming into the country or is looking to get legal status of some kind. So once the I-130 is submitted, then the K-3 would be available. Although it takes 8-9 months, these are folks that are generally going to be in a scenario where, well, let's just say it's immediate family, but the wait's about the same as just getting your green card in the first place. So there's some strategy that needs to be implemented. The idea is that if you just go through consular processing, and consular processing takes 8 to say 15 months, then why do you want to get a K-3 visa when it's going to take 9 to 12 months anyway? So by the time you get it, you may already have qualified for your green card, and so the K-3 is irrelevant. But I think in some circumstances where the wait is going to be longer, then at least you can have the K-3 to get here sooner rather than later, and then just adjust the status here in the United States. I think that's the idea, the strategy behind that. But so that's your K-3. So it's a matter of, again, filling out the paperwork, getting submitted, and going from there. That's it for today. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you.